Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode for Salesforce Lightning experience. If you spend long hours working in Salesforce, dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain and make your workspace more comfortable, especially during late-night sessions. Let's walk through this simple process step by step. First, open up your browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find all the extensions that can enhance your browsing experience and add functionality to various platforms like Salesforce. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top left corner of the page. In that search bar, type in Salesforce Dark Mode and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of extensions related to dark mode functionality for Salesforce. You'll want to look through the results carefully to find the right extension. From the search results, click on the extension called Salesforce Dark Mode. This is the specific extension designed to transform your Salesforce Lightning experience interface into a sleek, dark theme. Clicking on it will take you to the extension's dedicated page where you can see more details about what it offers. On the extension page, you'll notice a button that says Add to Chrome in the top right area. Go ahead and click that button. This initiates the installation process for the extension on your browser. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to verify that you want to add this extension. Click Add Extension to confirm your choice. This step is important as it grants the extension the necessary permissions to function properly with Salesforce. The extension will install within seconds. Once the installation is complete, you'll want to pin the extension icon to your toolbar for easy access. Look for the puzzle piece icon in your browser's toolbar, click it, and find the Salesforce Dark Mode extension in the list. Click the pin icon next to it so it remains visible in your toolbar at all times. Now comes the final step. Navigate to your Salesforce account, or if you're already there, simply refresh the page. Once the page reloads, you'll immediately notice that Salesforce is now displayed in dark mode automatically. The extension works seamlessly in the background, transforming the bright white interface into a comfortable dark theme without requiring any additional configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode for your Salesforce Lightning experience, making your workday more comfortable and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.